my heart broke when I heard the MC saying so and so's husband, family member, they lost their life. It is so heartbreaking, I tell you. So why is the new Motor Vehicle Act being implemented? As Honorable Union Minister keeps saying, and he told me also, we think we have pleasure in increasing the fine. We want people to be more disciplined on the roads. We want people to follow the traffic rules. We want people to be conscious of their rights and accordingly not violate them as well. If this thing happens, I think your accident rate will come down to 50% straight away. Now, what was the fine? People used to say, "Kidhar hai? 100 rupiya diya na usmare." So this was the thing. Now minimum fine will be 500. So there should be some deterrent. It is not the intention of the central government or the state government to penalize the people, and especially in pandemic times when they are not having income. But if you follow the rules, if you follow the traffic signal, if you don't jump the queue, why you have to pay a fine? Who will fine you? So one has to realize that you don't break the law, don't pay the fine. The mantra has to be, you have to promote it. Don't break the law, no fine. You don't have to pay anything.
अपील करा पेरेंट की लास्ट 2 वर्सां पयलीं एक 11 वर्साचो भुरगो एक्सिडेंट जालो, बुलेट एक्सिडेंट. ताका 10 बरे मार्क पडले म्हणून पेरेंटान मोटरसायकल घेतली म्हाका, आनी बिलो 18 इयर्स. अशे भुरगे मागीर एक्सिडेंटान मरतात खूब जाण अशे घडले केसीस. पेरेंटूच पयलीं ब्रेक दिता भुरग्यांक.
See, भुरगे म्हणल्यार नॅचरली यंग पीपल देर इज रश ऑफ ब्लड. तांकां समजना त्या टायमार कितें करता ते. एक्सिडेंट दाम लोक गेले, कंट्रोला भायर डाम करून मारले. हें जावपाक जायना. पेरेंट्सांनी काळजी घेवपाक जाय. आपले भुरग्याक हॅपी दवरतना तेजे हॅपीनस अशें जावपाक जायना की शॉर्ट टायम हॅपीनस आनी लॉंग टायम डेथ अशें जावपाक जायना. पेरेंट्स हॅव टू टेक केअर. अंडर एज चिल्ड्रन स्पेशली who are not eligible to drive, unless they get a driving license, they should not allow them to be on the roads. I appeal to the parents.
Well, because it will be additional burden in this pandemic and all. So, as a transport minister, would you like to talk to CM or any discussion about it?
See, these are pandemic times, and you have seen the number of schemes which have been given to the people by the central government, and this hike is necessitated as a consequence of that. Money has to ultimately come from somewhere to fund infrastructure schemes, to fund the schemes for the people, as well as various other expenditure of the government that takes place. It is not ideal to increase petrol or diesel prices, but when there is no alternative, money has to come from somewhere. You cannot stop spending. Then also there will be criticism. This is, I say, a very temporary measure. When the economy picks up and we have the comfort level, then you will see the prices coming down.
But in this pandemic time, was it okay, sir? Especially, I'm saying, because of that.
See, during pandemic times, as I said, when there is no money absolutely, and when the development of the country has to go on, when schemes have to go on, when government has to function, government salaries have to be paid, pensioners have to be paid, obviously it necessitates money. There is no alternative.
So any talks between the transport and the PWD minister as far as रस्त्यां लागून, because आमी रस्त्यांचो उलयता, एक्सिडेंट्स उलयता, पूण आजुनूय ते रस्ते तशेंच आसा. हांव म्हणना सगळे रस्त्यांकूच लागून एक्सिडेंट जाता. But the way you see condition of the roads and all in Goa, especially.
See, that is, as told you earlier also, you asked the PWD minister, but in the cabinet we have discussed time and again, and I have seen myself many places in Goa the work has started. In my own constituency where there are such big potholes, at last the work has started, and everywhere it has started. So given a little time period, I think you will find roads better than what they are at the moment.
So as far as this thing is concerned, this compensation, every year 200-300